Hello. Oh, no, wait, there's an intro. Okay, now that that's done over with, let's get to this wild commentary, gamers. Today, I'm going to teach you how to avoid the death penalty as a serial killer. Now, there's many ways you will get the death penalty, such as being a serial killer. But I'm fucking sleep deprived. There are ways to avoid this. After watching a shitload of documentaries on serial killers, I have noticed some patterns that not many of them get executed. At least the ones in the Western world. I'm sure in East Asia you'll get executed just for flipping off your local police person. Well, yeah, step 1, you need to be a serial killer. Simple as kill a few people. Step 2, get caught, because that's the most important part of this. Step 3, make sure that you hide all the bodies. That should have been step 2. Make sure they're all hidden properly. Do I have another one of those banners? Oh, I didn't pick it up, gay. And back to where it is. Hide the bodies properly, because you kind of need them hidden properly, or you won't be able to get away with that death penalty, depending on the state you are in. When you are caught, and if they don't find all the bodies, make sure they know that there is more murders. And then so fucked. And then you can avoid that death penalty. How so? You are holding valuable information of people you may have been associated with and their disappearance from the earth. Now, this doesn't always work. You'll die anyways in prison. But fuck it. Why not live longer and get that good gruel? That grey ghoul. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's brown block. Anyways, you can get that grey ghoul. Or it's a goop. I can't remember. Anyways, with this information you have, you may be able to avoid that death penalty, because the police will definitely want information from you. From what I notice in YouTube comments from serial killer documentaries, I can't make this jump. How many zombies? Kill the child. Anyways, from what I've seen in serial killer documentaries, especially the comments, what the fuck, oh shit boys, I'm dead. Drop those wings, boy. Eat that chicken. Sorry, I'm distracted. Fuck. Anyways, where was I? Something about documentaries. Yeah, in the comments of these documentaries, you get a lot of people saying this person should be executed, the justice system isn't doing enough. I think they're doing better than the credit they're given, personally. Because some of these serial killers still have information based on missing bodies. And for families to, what's the word, get closure on their loved ones that are missing, or possible closure, a body can be sufficient. So make sure you at least hide one super well. Maybe it can be in your back pocket and we won't know. For fuck's sakes, I just want to kill mobs. As you can tell, I'm a serial Minecraft killer. But yeah, make sure to hide your mobs, I mean people, in good places. They could be at the bottom of a rice bowl for all I care. That way, you can avoid this death penalty in certain countries. I doubt they give two fucks in countries like Indonesia. Because Indonesia is mad shit with the death penalty. Steal a loaf of bread, you dead. So yeah, just have a lot more information. Fake it if you have to. You may still be put on death row, but you may just survive there forever, like some con dude I watched earlier. But yeah, this commentary is fucking shit. Oh fuck, it's a witch. Watch me snipe this bitch. 360. What you gonna do? Did she drop something, please? But yeah, if that's the video gamers, that was epic. Ooh, a lot of shit. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments. If you are a thought, message me on Instagram at Donald J. Trump. Be sure to smash that like button, smash that dislike button as well, because it'll be even greater. Double the thumbs in my bums. And if you plan on being a serial killer or just killing anyone, just the perfect start would be to kill yourself. So thank you for listening. This is The Undertaker, and I bid you adieu. Yeah, that was